Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to lock a layer now. Open your canvas and tap the layers icon so you can see each layer. Next, pick the exact layer you want to protect. Rename it if needed so you won't confuse it later. Decide whether you need alpha lock, which preserves transparency, versus a full lock that blocks all changes. Once chosen, keep your hand steady and move to the layer controls. We act immediately to avoid accidental strokes. Now lock it. Tap the layer to open layer options and select lock, or choose alpha lock if you only want to protect transparent pixels. You'll see an icon or a checkerboard indicator that confirms protection. Once locked, test with a quick brush stroke on a hidden edge to verify nothing changes. If you must adjust later, use selection and transform on a duplicated layer instead, because editing a locked layer requires unlocking. This keeps your original intact and safe. Finish by confirming your workflow. To unlock, tap the locked layer and choose Unlock or toggle off Alpha Lock from the same menu. If you suddenly can't edit anything, make sure you didn't lock the background layer or lock multiple layers by accident. Unlock them and retry. Also, duplicate layers before big changes so you have an immediate fallback. If Procreate behaves oddly after locking, save, close the app, and reopen. That often clears temporary UI glitches and restores expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.